I know there's a gorilla skin where you have a football helmet. I need a brown gorilla.
You're a white gorilla. Evan's a white gorilla. I'm a black gorilla. I'm playing the backfield. Whatever you need. Oh! Get it in! Get it in! Yes!
Hey! Touchdown!
Quante Jr. runs it up to the ball. Runs up the ball.
Lateral pass.
Lateral pass, yeah.
Lateral pass to Hyung-Chie. Hyung-Chie.
Oh, I thought the lateral.
This is more like rugby than football. Take it, Sex! Take it, Sex! Oh, wow.
way.
Good play, but...
Oh. Oh my
shoot,
God.
our whole team.
Oh, damn.
Wait, no, he almost took it into his own goal. Go! Take it! Take it! No!
Where's John Mateer?
Take it back! Go!
Take it, run it, catch it.
Get in! Get in! I'm covering you! I'm covering you! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, dude, that's crazy.
My blocker. Got my blocker off to the side, holding his hand out, stiff arming people.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm out! I'm down! I'm down! I'm down! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Oh,
No!
he did it, bro.
Wow!
Damn, that was crazy. Everything worked out in his favor there. His roll was perfect. His catch was perfect. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so throwing it's the way. Throwing it is the way.
Yeah, throwing it up
Yeah,
the
you
hill.
throw it and roll.
Well, going up the hill, you burn a lot of stamina. You can't have that.
All right, I'm playing the backfield.
Or pass it down to me.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what a pass.
Pass it up and then have Evan barrel roll up to it. Barrel roll up to it. Go get it. Oh,
My teammate knocked me out, bro.
get it, Evan. Pass to me. Pass to me. Oh, close.
I tried passing it upfield.
Oh, no.
Sorry. No, grab onto the ball. Come on, grab onto the ball. Ow! Hit him. Yes! Good knockout. Run it back. Yes, Joe!
Take it, Evan. No. You knocked it out of my hand. Go. I'm up. I'm open. Pass it high.
Go.
Pass it high.
Pass it up.
Oh!
Wait. Oh, no.
Maul him.
Grab that ball.
I died.
Grab it.
Yes!
Woo! It's a tip off.
Yeah.
We hoarded that guy.
Okay. Passing is the way. I'm backfield.
Oh, I got knocked the fuck out.
Yes, good block.
Good play. Good block.
Pass it. No, he's got it.
Yes,
He's
he
got
has
it. Knock him off. Hold him back.
Damn
Damn.
it.
Damn it.
Wow, what a throw.
That sucks.
All right, I'm in the backfield.
Got knocked out.
Me too. We're all so
uphill.
fucked. Joe, it's on you.
I got knocked out. Take it. Throw it. Go. Take it. Throw it.
Blocking.
Barrel roll. Go,
I'm
go.
out of stamina. I'm knocked out.
Take it.
Run it.
Take it.
Run it.
Run it.
Stamina,
Go.
stamina.
Take it, cat. No.
Give me this ball. Give me this ball.
I can't believe we both ran out of stamina.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, give me this ball.
Give me this ball.
Alright, I'm in the backfield.
Stand back. Push.
I got him. I'm pulling him away. I'm pulling him. He's my little bitch. He's going his way back to.
Oh shit.
No. No, it got punted, dude.
Oh shit.
Jumo, toss.
Jumo, you gotta get that.
Jumo!
Yes. I'm running it back. Okay. Yes. All right. Pass it up. I'm out mid.
To me, Jumo.
Take it. Go. No. Fuck. No. We were there. We solved.
That was almost perfect.
No, my teammate knocked it out of my hands. No.
Can we grab it? Alright, pass. Down here.
Pass back. Yes.
Cover block.
No,
Cover
I got
block.
knocked out.
I got knocked out too. I got knocked out. Take it up. Juke him. Go.
He's at the 20.
What?
Look at this.
What?
Stiff arm!
John, my chair. He's at the 20. He's at the 10.
I'm saying back to go for it.
Good stuff. Oh, why'd he pass it up? There's no one up there. No.
Go.
Grab it, grab it. Move it up.
Go. You're covered.
Oh my gosh.
That is
Dude,
game.
What a win.
Wow.
What a win.
That was nuts, bro. The sports ones are pretty fun.
Yeah, I like the sport.